Hey guys, Jacob here with ePoolSupply. Today we're changing out the top cover with swivel assembly on an MX8 and an MX8 Elite. Alright guys, we're back. So let's dive in. So right now I've got an MX8 Elite and we're going to change this top cover with a swivel assembly. So the swivel assembly is this little piece that sits on top and it's actually part of the top cover. So the trick's to get this top cover off. So sometimes this little swivel piece will break off. So what you want to do is open the lid up. And as you can see here, there's bolts that hold this thing down. So I got my handy dandy little drill here. Let's take off all of our bolts. All right, so now my worst fear is when these little screws pop down below and then you have to like shake the MX8 out. So I like to take these out one by one, makes it easy on you. So now, as you can see here, this will pop right out. This is a brand new MX8, so everything's a little tight. So, come on, I know you want to. I know you want to. There you go. Okay, and now we're gonna take out the little piece with the engines and the two shafts installed as well. So now I'm gonna, again, brand new MX8. Awesome. So, see how this is all one big happy piece? So what we're gonna do is, the way that I like to remove these is I put my thumbs right here on these pieces right here, and then I kind of lift up on the gray part right here, so then pops out. So now, these two pieces right here do not come with the top cover. So we're gonna have to take these off one by one. I like to do it. And again, so as you can see here, it sits on a swivel and they just push right off. So I'm gonna push one off over here. These are a little tough sometimes, so let me see here. So I kind of push it down and they come right off. So it just takes a little bit of force, one at a time, and now we have our top cover with swivel assembly for an MX8 Elite and an MX8. So now let's go ahead and put it back together. So kind of reverse. So I'm gonna put these back on. They kind of just push on. And as you see, they're directional, so you can't put one on each side. They have to go together, so they create this perfect little circle right here. So now that's on. So now I kind of sit it on top of the whole body here. And then opposite, so rather than pulling away, I'm gonna push down and it snaps into place. So now my shafts with the engine assembly sit in there nice and pretty. And then now she goes back on, sits nice and flush. So now I can put my screws back in. So I'll set in a couple of my screws, kind of give it a little turn so it starts the path where my drill can go into. You can definitely do this with a Phillips head screwdriver. It just takes a little bit longer. That also prevents cross threading. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and tighten all these screws with my drill. Perfect. That right there is how we install the MX8 top cover with swivel assembly. Thanks for watching. Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Subscribe today if you haven't subscribed. Check out the links below, and we got a lot more content coming your way. Thank you.